Welcome back to another video. We're breaking in. We have a new battery. Car's coming home. So much to catch you guys up on. Some good, some bad. Some stuff I just could not avoid. And we're going to get this thing put back together, hopefully. Oh, there we go. Factory Camaro battery out. This is what the holder looks like. Nothing in behind, just wraps, bracket. Those actually thread into the body. Right there and there. And that's it. This wasn't really the battery I wanted. I wanted a yellow top. Thought it'd be a little better quality, but I couldn't get one. So AGM, going back in, looks pretty much the same. We all know that these all come out of roughly the same factory anyways. But in a pinch, it is what it is. I ended up spending 260 Canadian. Battery's regular 280. I have some sources, save some tax and a few bucks. And the yellow top I was looking at was 384 tax. I probably would have paid 350 for that. So I did save a few bucks. I just hope this thing lasts. I am gonna fix the taillights and hopefully not have to keep dealing with this. So let's get it put in. We've changed the battery. Things turned on. And it runs! Hell yeah! I haven't driven this car in 4 or 5 months. Oh, I am so excited.